Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, and I have been speaking to Kriti Gupta and Kriti Seth about the sustainability opportunity in BFSI. And I again have Kriti Seth with me to do the third video in this series. Hey, Kriti.
Hi, Ronak.
So, Kriti, we spoke about BFSI firms needing to become a sustainability or a purpose-driven business. We spoke about the need for data and the data supplier landscape, right? The data and analytics technology landscape. I thought we'll do a double click on what are the key offerings they provide to the BFSI enterprises, and your insights on them.
Yeah, Ronak. So navigating the ESG space is becoming increasingly complex for BFSI firms, and data and analytics vendors are doing their best to support them in this journey, either through innovative solutions or being transparent about their methodologies being used to calculate the final ESG ratings, use of next gen technologies, and when it comes to what they actually bring to the market or what kind of solutions that they offer, we did a very deep analysis of 25 plus data and analytics vendors being specialists in the BFSI firms. And what we witnessed was that the solutions can primarily be divided into core offerings and value add services. So most of these DNA vendors, be it the small to mid-sized vendors or the larger players in the market, they do provide the core offerings such as raw ESG data, reporting, then portfolio management solutions, risk management solutions, then alignment to certain international frameworks like the UN's Sustainability Development Goals or SASP, GRI, etc. Where they actually differentiate is when they bring the value add services or niche offerings to the market. So competitive analysis is one of them, because we know that BFSI firms need to manage their internal sustainability mandates as well. So this helps them see their standing vis-a-vis their competitors. Then green financing solutions are something that BFSI firms are exhaustively using, wherein the data analytics vendors provide second party opinion to the frameworks that they are using to analyze the sustainability linked loans or green bonds. Then they have dedicated modules for carbon tracking or climate tracking or waste management. So these dedicated modules are also there. Then real time alerts or controversy tracking, these are also some niche offerings that they are bringing into the system. And we are hopeful that definitely they will keep innovating on these in these areas, only to tap into the growing demand theme. Interestingly, ESG advisory is one thing that they are not tapping into a lot, primarily because we have a separate set of ESG providers in this space, which will be catering to this demand, and we will be covering these providers also very soon in one of our next resources.
Now that's interesting. And again, one thing for me to take away, Kriti, here is that the majority of ESG related solutions, right, is also kind of advancing really fast, and more solutions are being added into that portfolio because the demand maturity is also kind of signaling that. So I think it's a very nice balance of how the industry is evolving, both from a demand and supply side. And thanks for sharing your insights on this one.
Thanks, Ron.